The concrete water tank, Wangaratta, Victoria. Very bad, high flowing leak. Sheep farmer, just to give you an idea. It's the sort of water coming off of this one. Injection process underway. You see the polyurethane feeding into the crack. As soon as it works its way up, finds all the crevices, air pockets, etc. Starts to expand as it touches moisture. And mix the concrete back together and repairs the leak. Crack injection, Wangaratta. As you can see, the polyurethane's expanding, pushing into the crack, growing, shutting down the leak. Very high flowing crack. Sheep farm. This will help him with his trough system. Crack's opened up there, so steel tank fans will be a must on this tank, just to hold the tank structurally together. Narnagoon North, concrete tank repair. As you can see, this one's really flowing. A lot of water being lost here. It's like a swamp. Injection process underway. You see the polyurethane feeding into the crack. As soon as it works its way up, finds all the crevices, air pockets, etc. Starts to expand as it touches moisture. And mix the concrete back together and repairs the leak. Narnagoon North, concrete tank crack repaired. Very high flowing, as you can see, by the amount of groundwater sitting around, and tree roots, by the way. This client's got to remove a lot of trees to give this tank a chance to have some longevity to it. Steel bands would be in order as well. These are just some of the situations you come across. This fella's really trying to hold back the water here. He's put on a lot of this grip set better water plug stuff, and it's leaking like a sieve. Looks like he's been actually at this for probably well over a year, I'd say. Unbelievable. Yeah, this is what the rocks and rags were all hiding. There's been plenty of that grip set water plug put on here to try and prevent it, but it's actually water leaking pretty badly there. In behind that you can see all the water sitting around. Yeah, this is the leak that it's actually was masking by putting this grip set water plug stuff over the top. Doesn't really solve the problem. It just leaks, runs down in behind it, creates a big mess. A few more surprises. Okay, all repaired. Have a look at that, guys. Concrete crack injection, amazing stuff. Phone 0427 427 183 for a quote. Thanks. Yeah, leaking trough, as you can see. Quite a bad leak. A lot of water. All repaired with the concrete crack injection. No need to empty the tank. Phone 0427 427 183. Commercial job, large project, a lot of tanks, as you can see. Concrete crack injection, polyurethane. All these tanks are full. As you can see, there's miles of them. So this is what we're doing. 0427 427 183. Okay, Wood End, Victoria, near Bendigo. Leaking concrete tank, horizontal crack. The ground is very, very moist. And that's purely and simply because the overflow pipe here hasn't been piped away. So all that water runs down the side of the tank, sits around this half of the base. The tank starts to move towards that wet side of the base, And all your cracks you'll find on the majority of tanks are on this half of the tank where the overflow hasn't been piped away and it's keeping the tank base dry, stable and solid. Okay, wood end again. This is after the repairs. As you can see, the tank's all drying up beautifully. No more leaks. Phone 0427 427 183. Tank shop, concrete crack injection, water tank repairs.